Hi guys, today I want to talk about how you start your sculpting, your art. So I would recommend to all of you, if you play with clay, have a tile, I have a here big tile, as you can see, it's huge, but you can start with small tile, like I started. I show you in the beginning. So you can start with small, and this is my very old tile, which I used to do clay on the top, and I just put it in the oven and bake it. So that's so small. And look, I have a huge now, and I have from Wicked's that one. It's about, I think, quite a while, but they're not very expensive if you buy one of them. So why it's good with clay and anything, because even you do mess everything, you can clean up very good. And also it's very good for polymer clay, because you clean the dust with, as you know, you always have to have a baby wiper, and you clean very fast, all on the top. It will be clean, and you're not gonna be struggling with any death of dust or hair. As you know, I have a cat, and for me, really important to keep clean my table. Guys, I just press the button. So usually what I do, I just put some white cardboard for recording video, just that for recording video. But usually when I sculpt, I need a light. I just take it off, and so many lights I have to my table. So for tools, what tool I have, let's see what tool I have. So I have this is mostly I use, okay? So you can this tool, it's like a rubber. So I forgot to clean, sorry. It's a rubber, it should move, that one. And this bowl tool, it's very important, guys. As you know, I do a lot of eyes, everything. This one. And and this is medical tool, dentist tools, you can get from Amazon or eBay. They're not expensive, guys. It's a hobby craft knife, and this cutting thing. And what else I have? This is it's my daughter. She used to clean her face, but I took it and I created tool for myself. She just cleaned all cosmetics something, and I took it. She was a little bit cross with me, but okay, she has a new one now. But that's all the tools, mostly those, and this, as you know, this one, and also I have a jack tool. This is jack tool. You can get from Etsy, that called it's very, when you go more get professional, you get that. So all these tools like I use, okay? So that's mostly, guys, it's not very also this roller, okay? The roller you need to have, because you're gonna work with clay. So mostly that's a tool I use, guys. It's nothing special like you think. It's you just have to practice. The more important you practice and have a tile table, because you're gonna paint, you're gonna do anything, you're gonna paint everything, and it's very important to have a tile. I would first recommend to everybody, have the tile, okay? Next my video gonna be, I share with you what clay do I use, okay? Thank you, and please like it.